How to fix Block Blast app not working in your Android or iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the Block Blast app not working in your Android or iPhone device. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that it's stable, strong, and reliable. Also turn on your airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it off. This can reset network settings temporarily. You can also clear your phone's digital clutter. Go ahead and delete the old app or files that you no longer use and that is never in the use. Sometimes low storage causes apps to misbehave. So switch your phone's date and time manually and set it a day ahead and then back to automatic, and this can fix weird syncing bugs in some apps. Now, let's find out the Block Blast application first. Once you find it, tap on hold on to it and then tap on its eye icon in the top to go to its app info. From here, scroll down and go to storage and then click on clear cache. Come back, try force stopping this application and re-enable it again. And then go to permissions and make sure that you have allowed all the permissions to this app. And on iPhone, you can go ahead and open your general and then go to iPhone storage, search for Block Blast application and remove it from there, or offload it or uninstall the application completely. So on Android as well, if none of the solutions work, you can go ahead and contact its official app support, or otherwise you can uninstall the application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store with its latest version. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.